Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a really specific and sometimes frustrating. First off, what's the BCM? BCM stands for Body Control Module. Think of it as the central computer for most of your truck's known engine-related electronic features. It controls things like your interior and exterior lights, power windows, door locks, the horn, and even the security system. It's a critical component for the everyday functions you use all the time. The B2204 code is logged by the BCM when it detects a problem with the vehicle identification number, or VIN, that's stored in its memory. Every major electronic module in your truck, including the BCM, has the vehicle's unique 17-digit VIN programmed into it. This is how all the modules recognize each other and communicate properly on the vehicle's data network. When the BCM sets a B2204 code, it's essentially saying, hey, the VIN I have stored in my memory does unmatch the VIN from another key module on the truck, or my VIN is missing entirely. This mismatch or lack of a VIN can cause a whole host of confusing electronic problems. You might notice that your remote key fob stops working, the power locks act up, or you get a service security system message on your dash. In some cases, it can even lead to a no-start condition, because the anti-theft system can't verify the correct vehicle. So, what causes this VIN mismatch? The most common reason we see this code is after a BCM has been replaced. If you install a brand new BCM, it comes from the factory blank, without any VIN programmed into it. It needs to be programmed with your truck's specific VIN, using a compatible high-level scan tool. If you install a used BCM from another truck, it will have the VIN from the donor vehicle stored in it. When you plug it into your truck, it immediately sees the conflict between its stored VIN and your truck's actual VIN, and boom da B2204 code appears. Another, though less common, cause could be data corruption within the BCM itself. This can sometimes happen due to a voltage spike, a weak battery, or just an internal failure of the module's memory chip. In these rare instances, TBCM might forget its VIN, or the data becomes scrambled, leading to the mismatch error. Now for the important part, how do you fix it? Unfortunately, this isn't a simple rinse socket repair. Fixing a B2204 code requires a sophisticated diagnostic scan tool that has programming capabilities. This is typically something only dealerships or well-equipped independent repair shops have. The procedure involves connecting the scan tool to your truck SOBD2 port and accessing the body control module functions. From there, the technician will initiate a VIN programming or relearn procedure. The tool will either write your truck's correct VIN to the BCM or synchronize the VIN across all the necessary modules. If you installed a used BCM, the process is the same. The technician will need to overwrite the old VIN from the donor truck with your truck's VIN. Once the correct VIN is successfully programmed into the BCM, the code can be cleared, and all the related electronic systems should start working correctly again. There's really no way around this programming step. Disconnecting the battery or trying to reset the system won't write the new VIN. So, to summarize, if you get a B2204 code on your M, it means the body control module has a VIN that doesn't match the rest of the vehicle. This is almost always caused by a recent BCM replacement that wasn't programmed correctly. The fix requires a special scan tool to write the correct VIN to the module. My advice: if you see this code, save yourself the headache and take it to a professional shop or a dealership that has the right equipment to program it for you. It's a relatively quick process for them and will get your truck back to normal. I hope this video helped demystify the B2204 code for you. It can seem scary, but once you understand what it means, it's a straightforward fix with the right tools. If you found this information useful, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more diagnostic tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.